In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase to Bubble.io. We'll be moving between Supabase and Bubble, so the goal here is simple. Grab the connection details from your Supabase project, then paste them into a Supabase plugin inside Bubble. Once that's done, your Bubble app will be ready to communicate with your Supabase backend. Start by going to Supabase and opening your dashboard. From there, click into the project you want to connect to Bubble. Make sure you choose the correct project, especially if you manage more than one, because the URL and key you copy need to match the exact database you plan to use. Once you're inside the project, open Project Settings. In the Settings area, click on API Keys. This is where Supabase keeps the credentials and project connection information you'll need for the integration. Now copy your project URL. This URL tells Bubble where your Supabase project lives, and it acts as the base endpoint for the connection. Be careful to copy the full project URL exactly as shown, without adding extra spaces. After that, copy your non-public API key. This is the public-facing key typically used for client-side connections. It's important to use the anon public key here, not any more sensitive private key. If you're following along in a real project, avoid sharing this information publicly and keep your configuration organized. With those two items copied, switch over to Bubble and open your project in the Bubble editor. This is where you'll install and configure the plugin that connects Bubble to Supabase. Inside the editor, go to Plugins, then choose Add Plugins. In the plugin marketplace, search for a Supabase plugin. If one is available that fits your setup, install it. Depending on the plugin, the name or interface may look slightly different, but the general setup process is usually the same. Once the plugin is installed, open its configuration area. You should see fields for the project URL and the non-public key. Paste your project URL into the correct field, then paste your non-public key into its designated field as well. Take a moment to double check that each value is in the right place, because swapping them or pasting incomplete text can cause connection errors later. After that, your basic Supabase to Bubble connection is set up. From here, you can move on to using the plugin inside your app workflows or data setup. If something doesn't work right away, the first things to verify are the project URL, the API key, and whether you selected the correct Supabase project. That's it. You've successfully connected Supabase to Bubble.io.